Hey guys, this is Simple Nerf. This is my first unboxing and review. Don't want to over exaggerate anything, so let's get started. So as you can see, I will be reviewing and unboxing the Nerf Elite Demolisher. It's a special gun and I've wanted to review it for a while, so it'll be my first review. So on the front you can see the kid holding the gun, and then I'm glad Nerf included this. A foam they show you the foam missile and an elite dart comparison. And on the back, you just have the layout of the blaster. So I will see you in a few seconds and everything will be out of the package. Alright, so as you can see, I've gotten everything out of the box. This is not included in the box. My cutting knife. Anyway, it comes with 2 foam missiles, 10 elite darts, this pretty cool banana clip, the Elite Demolisher, and then the special stock. And now I will put everything in its proper place. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you've attached everything and put the extra missile in, filled up the banana clip, and put in that extra missile. So now, next segment, there will be batteries in it, and I will be doing a range test. Alright, here's the range test for the Nerf Elite Demolisher. You can't see the markings. Well, when we go to pick up the darts, you'll probably be able to see them. But I marked 25, 50, 75, and 90 feet away. So let's get this started. We're going to do 5 level shots and 5 angled shots. Now for angled shots. Now we have the missiles. We're going to do 1 level missile shot and 1 angled missile shot. That was actually our angled one. Alright, so let's go check them out. I don't have an efficient way of putting my camera on. So, as you can see, we have a missile, not even a dart, but it bounced. So it was at the 25 mark. Over here, we have a nice little grouping of our first 5 level shots. And that is about halfway between 25 and 50. So that should be about roughly 40. Or high 30s. So as we walk a little bit more, just past the 50 mark, I was holding my blaster to the left a little bit. We have our second missile. And then we have the rest of our darts here. And our last 2 darts here. And they aren't that far away from the 75 mark. It's not quite hitting that 90, but I don't have the best batteries I could have right now. So it won't be at max performance. Alright, see you inside. So what do I think about the Nerf Elite Demolisher? I think it's a pretty good gun. If you do not have a Nerf Elite Strife yet, it's basically a Strife with a rocket launcher attached to it. And I like the banana clip. But basically, if you don't have a Strife yet, this is an excellent buy. You get that missile launcher, which could be used as an emergency blaster or emergency shooter, whichever name you prefer. If you already have a Strife, it's a good buy because nothing like having a missile shooter attached to your Strife, and it'd be harder to integrate one, so they did the integrating for you. And there's no real way you could buy this at a bad time, really. It's a pretty good gun, and it'll be neat to mod. So anyway, that was my first unboxing and review. I hope you guys like, and catch you on the flip side.